This 1970 Chevrolet Malibu Convertible for sale is incredibly well restored to Chevelle SS 396 specs. There are only 1,200 miles on this complete frame-off restoration. Under the functional Cowl hood is a period-correct 396 cubic inch V8 with a 4-barrel carb, mated to a TH400 automatic transmission and 12-volt rear with 325:1 ratio Posi rear end. The white bucket seat interior features a center console, power steering, AM/FM radio, SS gauges with a 7,000 RPM Tach, front and rear seatbelts, and day-night rearview mirror. The exterior is finished in correct Tuxedo black and has a white power convertible top, white SS stripes, SS badging throughout the car, dual mirrors, hood pins, bumper overriders, front and rear sway bars, power disc brakes, and 14-inch SS wheels with Goodyear Polyglas tires. This is an incredible restoration on this factory black Chevelle SS 396 clone.